What's your worst DG nightmare?
My biggest nightmare is watching one of my EV car batteries burn for hours.
I'm working 18-hour days that are nonstop fire drills because no one knows how to ship DG like this compliantly.
A single leak can shut down an entire plant in an instant.
That's why I partner with DGeo.
Who's DGeo?
DGeo is the new DG Solutions division at Labelmaster. They're multi-industry experts who think about hazmat differently.
Okay, but can they help simplify my DG shipping?
Absolutely. DGeo offers logistics and warehousing solutions and even proprietary DG transport software so you can guarantee that your team is shipping DG compliantly at the cheapest price possible.
Do they know how to ship damaged batteries? End to end?
Of course. DGeo provides end-to-end dealer services, integrated ordering, and reporting platforms.
Can they help me too?
Definitely. DGeo's innovative containers and solutions can lower your costs while providing maximum protection for your products. There's a better way to DG. Learn more at dgeo.com.